We make a lot of salad dressings, and I was so happy to find a shaker that I love. We've tried a few different shakers, and this one is my favorite. The fact that it's glass makes it easy to clean, and apologies for how this looks because it's actually being used right now. You would just take off the top. This is plastic, and kind of, you know, pour your dressing over your salad. And then we need to clean it, you know, take off the lid, unscrew the top. This little plastic piece comes off from the inside, and you can clean that very, very easily. I haven't had any problems with leaking yet. This part right here is like plasticky, silicone-y. When this goes on top, kind of covers it like that. We've had this for almost a year now, and we've made many, many dressings. In terms of the size, it's a lot taller than I expected it to be. It is a lot bigger, but that's okay. I was expecting maybe something like this big. It was a nice surprise. You use it over the next couple days, and then you can clean it and move on to your next delicious dressing.